Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to find winning products by using AI. So I'm going to use ChatGPT to find the product. So here, after entering the ChatGPT, I will search top 10 winning products to earn. After that I will okay, so here will be some examples of product which I can use to sell and earn money. So you can choose any of the niche from here. After that, I'm going to ask AI how to sell those products, and here is the answer. They are also sharing the method how can I sell those products. Okay, so this is the method you can use to find products in by using AI. Thank you.